Good morning, students. Today we will start our lesson number 5, patterns. So, first of all, you tell me what do you mean by pattern? Okay, I will tell you. If any numbers, shapes, letters, or figures are repeated in a definite sequence, then it is called a pattern. In this module, I will try to explain you what do you mean by pattern. You can see pattern of different types. So in this module, we will see observe the different types of patterns, identify the rules such as repetition or growing patterns, and use the rule to continue the pattern. We will see different types of pattern. Then we will see what are the rule applied in the pattern as repetition or it is growing pattern. Then use the rule to continue the pattern. There will be a specific rule in which we can continue the pattern. These all things we will learn in this chapter. So when we walk to some marketplace or any other place, we can see different types of patterns. जैसे अभी आपको दिख रहा है टाइलिंग पैटर्न, फ्लोर बना हुआ है विथ 2 कलर्स. इसमें आप पैटर्न्स देख सकते हैं, एक सीक्वेंस है और एक पैटर्न यू कैन सी. देन अगेन यू कैन सी अ पैटर्न. फ्लोरिंग पैटर्न में आप देख सकते हैं, ब्यूटीफुल पैटर्न इज देयर. Then this is the car pattern, how the cars are placed in a sequence, in a pattern. Then this is a gate है एंड इस गेट पर भी आप पैटर्न देख सकते हैं, कैसे उस पर ग्रिल्स लगा हुआ है. Then this is the curtain of your house. You can see the pattern. Then this is your balcony or your window. You can check the pattern. You can check the grills made up of iron in this balcony. Then this is your chessboard. You can see the pattern. Again X रखे हुए हैं. You can look at the pattern. Now this is the dots pattern. A pattern is there which is made up of dot. पहले 1 dot है, फिर 2, then 3, then 4. ये ग्रोइंग पैटर्न भी हो सकता है. पहले 1 है, फिर 1 + 1 2, 2 + 1 3, 3 + 1 4. So you can see here 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, 4 dot. This is a type of pattern. Now balls हैं blue, red, blue, red, blue. Then what comes next? Tell me, blue या red? Check the pattern. उसमें rules देखो कौन सा rule follow हो रहा है. पहले blue ball है, फिर red ball है, then blue, again red, फिर blue. So the next will be, yes, it is red. So you can see blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. Next, एक circle है, then square, again circle, square, circle. Then what will come next? Circle? No. Square? Yes. Again a square will be there. So circle, square, circle, square, circle, square. Again you can see a pattern. Next, 2 cats are there, then 1 puppy, then 2 cats, 1 puppy, then 1 cat. Now what will come? Cat or puppy? आप पहले देखेंगे 2 cats है और अभी एक ही cat है, means 1 cat will come there. Okay. So 2 cat, 1 puppy, 2 cat, 1 puppy, 2 cats. Now tell me, what will come next? Yes, a puppy will come in the next position. So 2 cat, 1 puppy, 2 cats, 1 puppy, then 2 cats, 1 puppy. So in this way we can learn the patterns one by one. So patterns can be seen in shapes, objects, numbers, alphabets, etc. Patterns हम कहीं पर भी देख सकते हैं, either in shapes or in objects or in numbers or in alphabet. जैसे इसमें shape है triangle, फिर reverse triangle, then triangle, one in straight position, one is reverse position, then one object है pencil, eraser, pencil, eraser, pencil, eraser, pencil, eraser. Numbers में 1 2 3, then 1 2 3, then 1 2 3, then 1 2 3. Alphabets में A B C, A B C, A B C. So we can see patterns in any form, either in shapes or in objects or in numbers or in alphabets or in pictures. In anywhere we can see the patterns. So patterns are the repetition of shapes, objects, numbers, alphabet, etc. A pattern is something that repeats over and over again. So this pattern is a group of shapes or designs that are repeated over and over again. A pattern, the way in which the parts of a pattern are repeated, is called the sequence of the pattern. So regarding this pattern, we will continue in our next class. Till then, thank you students. Bye.